There are 6 differences between the picture on the left and the picture on the right. Can you see the differences? Let's take a look. So in the picture on the left, we have a man in the kitchen. The man is wearing an apron. The apron has a checkerboard pattern. In the picture on the right, the man is wearing an apron, but it is a different pattern. The man is wearing an apron that is solid red. So that is one difference. In the picture on the left, the man is holding a knife in one hand and a spatula in the other hand. In the picture on the right, the man is holding a fork in one hand, not a knife. So that is another difference. In the picture on the left, there are 1.5 lemons on the counter. In the picture on the right, there are 1, 2, 2.5 lemons on the counter. So that is a third difference. In the picture on the left, the clock on the wall says it is 1 o'clock. In the picture on the right, the clock says that it is about 3:21, maybe 3:22. So that is another difference. The time in this picture is different than the time in that picture. In the picture on the left, there is a refrigerator. It is a blue refrigerator behind the man. In the picture on the right, the refrigerator is gray. So the refrigerator in the picture on the right and the picture on the left are different colors. So far, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 differences. There's one more difference. Can you see what it is? In the picture on the left, the man is wearing glasses. He is wearing eyeglasses. In the picture on the right, he is not wearing eyeglasses. So that is one more difference. That is the 6th difference.